Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll take a look at general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen a lot of altcoins dumping. Some altcoins have been pumping. We'll look at the general cryptocurrency market liquidation data. The bulls have been getting liquidated. Sentiment is still in extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Fear is reaching a very high level. Pessimism is on the rise. Market participants are expecting lower prices. Also look at news stories going on in the market. What's the charts telling us? Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, trades around $66,000. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, trades around the $2,000 level. What is in store for the whole week? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 month, a lot of altcoins have held on to their gains. Hype is up 40%, Siren is up 444%, Fetch is up 44%, but majority of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market have seen a decline over the last 1 month. Over the last 1 week also, a lot of altcoins are down bad. The bulls are getting liquidated. The last 24 hours has seen more than 90,000 traders getting liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $313 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bybit. The trader was liquidated for $9.8 million. Market participants are bearish right now, and rightfully so. We have been seeing lower prices over the last 1 week and the last few days. Bitcoin is still down in Q1 of 2026. Ethereum is still down in Q1 of 2026. If you zoom in closely, Bitcoin is in negative in the month of March. Bitcoin was in negative in the month of January, in the month of February, the month of March. If Bitcoin is in the month of March negative, that will be 6 consecutive months of negative price action for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was negative in October, November, December, January, February, and now hopefully Bitcoin will not end the month of March negative. If not, we would have 6 consecutive negative months for Bitcoin. For Ethereum, it's even going to get worse. Ethereum has been negative since September, then October, November, December, January, and February. Ethereum is still holding on to 1.73% of the gains that's made in the month of March. If we turn negative and Ethereum ends the month negative, there will be 7 consecutive months of negative price action for Ethereum. And that has led to extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. That has led a lot of market participants to be scared to the teeth. We're seeing historic levels of extreme fear on the crypto fear and greed index. Out of a value of 100, right now we're in a value of 8. We're close to the biggest, we're close to the most extreme fear market participants could feel. This is a plot of the fear and greed index over time, where a value of 0 means extreme fear, while a value of 100 means extreme greed. Right now, we're getting to historic levels of extreme fear, and with reaching on the 12th of February 2026, we saw the fear and greed index reaching a level of 5, which is crazy. Extreme fear today, extreme fear yesterday, extreme fear last week, and extreme fear last month. But one thing I've always been repeating on this channel, guys, is that historically, periods of extreme fear has been good time to buy. Historically, period of extreme fear has been when smart traders have gotten bargains. So if you're going to be in the market for a very long time, you should be looking for those bargains in the cryptocurrency market, in the altcoin market. Period of extreme fear is where you make that money. And if you look at the charts, Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin still trades above $66,000. With extreme fear hitting the cryptocurrency market, we are still holding above the $60,000 level. We've seen Bitcoin go to as low as $60,000. Can we go lower than that? There's always that possibility that Bitcoin can go lower than that. But something that is very fishy right now happening in the general cryptocurrency market is that most influencers are bearish. Historically, when most influencers are bearish, that's when you want to be buying. I've not seen the whole cryptocurrency market come together and agree on something happening, and that happens. Like the way everybody's bearish right now, I'll be shocked to see this bearishness continue for a very long time. The inverse is also true. In October of 2025, most market participants were very bullish. Bitcoin was trading above $120,000. The sky was the limit. We could get to as high as $140,000. What happened since then was Bitcoin turning and dumping to Goblin Town. Market participants mostly were bullish at the top. We stayed dumping to Goblin Town. Right now, they are very bearish at the bottom. Who's to say this is the bottom? We're just using sentiment, guys. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin make a U-turn, going to higher prices. My baseline has still been that $100,000 level. I believe Bitcoin could easily get a retracement rally towards the $100,000 level. And even though we might see a bigger dump in 2026, the real rally might just be around the corner. That's for Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market. If we go to Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum is still holding the February 5th low, where it got to as low as $1,769. Since then, we've seen Ethereum rally towards $2,300, but the $2,000 level looks like the level where Ethereum is finding some support. Just the way Bitcoin could go to $100,000, I postulate Ethereum could easily see prices as high as $3,500, maybe even get to new all-time highs. My bullish scenario for 2026 is that we'll see all coins set new all-time highs. Ethereum be leading the way. We need Ethereum to rally past $4,955, and it might look like a very, very big mountain to climb right now, but just around the 150% pump to the upside will get us there. And the way all coins move in the cryptocurrency market, you never want to say never. Take a look at what happened in 2025. We entered the year with Ethereum trading around $4,000, and Ethereum quietly started dumping to Goblin Town, finding a bottom in April of 2025 when it was trading around $1,400. If somebody had told you then that Ethereum could still go to new all-time highs, it would have looked like the person was joking. It would look like a dream. It was Trump tariffs. Trump was tariffing a lot of countries. What happened after that was that we saw this general cryptocurrency market pumping, Ethereum also pumping, and Ethereum rallying to all-time highs, pumping by 250% in 140 days. I'm not saying history is going to perfectly repeat itself, but they say history always do rhyme. So we'll see how Ethereum will perform till the end of the year. Right now, trading around the $2,000 level. Another positive signal for the altcoin market is that Ethereum is still outperforming Bitcoin since April of 2025. Ethereum was dumping to Goblin Town. April of 2025 found the bottom. Since then, it's been outperforming Bitcoin. Right now, Ethereum is still up a whopping 70% from where it was trading in April of 2025. The next few weeks are going to be very, very interesting in the cryptocurrency market. We see all coins pumping. I expect to see a lot of market participants FOMOing back into the cryptocurrency market because right now it's cool to be a bear. Right now, it's cool to be very, very bearish in the cryptocurrency market. It's cool to expect lower prices. But remember, guys, you're not here to act cool. You're here to make some money. And to make some money, you have to be a contrarian. To make some money, you have to do the opposite of what most market participants are doing. If you look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, it currently sits at the $2.28 trillion level, and we're expecting the cryptocurrency market cap in a situation where all coin markets pumping to new all-time highs. And we're expecting the general cryptocurrency market cap to also get to new all-time highs. Worst case scenario, we see a retracement rally that takes us towards the 3.5, maybe $3.6 trillion level. But in that rally, I expect to see all coins outperforming Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency market cap increase to higher values. If you look at total cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin, we currently sit around the $948 billion level. For us to get to new all-time highs, we need to rally above the $1.81 trillion level. And from where we're currently trading, that's about 100% pump to the upside. Looks really, really big with 100% pump to the upside. But remember, the cryptocurrency market, very, very volatile. 100% pump can happen in little or no time. You never want to say never in the altcoin market. You always want to be at alert because crazy things can happen in split seconds. So Bitcoin dominance, which currently sits around 58.46%. I'm still expecting Bitcoin dominance to decline over the next few weeks and the next few months. Bitcoin dominance has been on that path of declining to Goblin Town since June of 2025. Since then, Bitcoin dominance has lost around 12% of its value. I still expect Bitcoin dominance to dump furthermore. Historically, the cycle ends when Bitcoin dominance has a big crash to Goblin Town. We saw that in 2018. We saw that in 2021, entering 2022. I don't think this time is different. You have to think far into the future, guys. You have to make that prediction. You have to speculate far into the future. You are in a speculation game. You put your cash, the market rewards you. If you buy low, then you'll be able to sell high. If you look at the top gainers and the top losers over the last 24 hours, the last 24 hours has seen Siren, which has been volatile over the last few days, gain 18%. Meme coin is up 4%, and Sky is up 2%. Qcoin tokens is up 1.7%. A lot of these altcoins are just up 0% or 1%. On the losing section, we have Casper down 6%, Bitcoin Cash down 6%, Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is down 4%, and we have Just down 3.7%. News stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Walmart's back 1Pay ads tokens in push to serve new crypto customers. Ethereum builders propose economic zone to tackle L2 fragmentation. And big news, Sam Altman World Foundation sells $65 million in World Coin token as the token hits new lows. Ethereum flippening odds rise, but it will involve Bitcoin. Market participants are betting on Ethereum being overtaken as the second largest cryptocurrency. They're betting that Tether is going to overtake Ethereum because Ethereum has been on this number 2 for a very long time. The last 5 years has seen Ethereum just move marginally by 11%, while Tether has moved by more than 600%. On-chain commodity trading is here to stay, but liquidity still remains an issue. Future US government will crack down on crypto without clear rule. That's what Coin Center has to say. Google backs to plan $5 billion data center for Anthropic, and Bitcoin potential crash below $60,000 may delay recovery to 2027. Guys, drop it in the comment section. Extreme bearishness is overtaking the cryptocurrency market right now. Extreme fear is deep in the cryptocurrency market. How do you think we're going to end the month of March? Are we ending on a positive? Are we ending on a negative? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. If you want to become a member, guys, link in the description. Members only videos coming soon. See you guys in my next video. Bye.